Every week we're hearing about another round of layoffs, from tech giants to startups, thousands of people suddenly out of work, and the question everyone's asking is artificial intelligence to blame? In today's video, we'll break down the truth behind these mass layoffs, explore how AI is reshaping the workforce, and what it really means for your future career. Welcome back to SimplyTechwhiz, your source for tech insights, AI news, and digital trends that matter. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for more videos that help you stay ahead of the tech curve. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries. From automating customer service to generating code and even writing content like this script. But as amazing as AI seems, there's growing concern that it's coming for our jobs. So, what's really happening behind these corporate layoffs? Let's dive in. Let's start with the facts. Between 2023 and 2025, companies like Google, Amazon, Meta, and IBM have laid off tens of thousands of employees. Officially, many blame economic restructuring or efficiency improvements. But look closer, and you'll find something interesting. Around the same time, these same companies were heavily investing in AI tools and automation systems. For example, IBM's CEO publicly said they expect to pause hiring for roles that AI could replace. Microsoft, while cutting staff, poured billions into OpenAI. Coincidence? Not exactly. AI is no longer limited to research labs, it's already replacing repetitive, data-driven, and even creative tasks. Customer support, automated, copywriting, AI tools can draft marketing campaigns in minutes. Coding, GitHub Copilot writes lines of code faster than junior developers. Even video editing and design are now being simplified by AI-powered apps. So yes, some roles, especially entry-level or task-based jobs, are being restructured or phased out. But is that the full story? Here's the truth the headlines don't tell you. AI isn't the only reason for mass layoffs. It's more of a catalyst. Companies use AI as an opportunity to cut costs, boost productivity, and stay competitive. But behind the scenes, there are three main factors at play. 1. Economic slowdown. Companies are tightening budgets after overhiring during the pandemic tech boom. 2. Efficiency pressure. Investors want leaner teams producing more results. 3. Technological acceleration. AI gives them the perfect excuse. Automate now, restructure later. So yes, AI is part of the cause, but it's also a symbol of how fast the modern workforce is changing. Now, let's talk about the positive side. While AI eliminates some jobs, it also creates new ones, roles that didn't exist a few years ago. According to World Economic Forum reports, AI will replace about 85 million jobs, but create roughly 97 million new ones. These new positions require skills in AI integration, data analytics, cybersecurity, and creative problem solving. So if you're worried about job loss, don't panic. Instead, think about evolving your skill set. Learn how to work with AI, not compete against it. Here's what you can start doing today to stay relevant in the AI era. Upskill in tech and automation, learn basic coding, data literacy, or prompt engineering. Focus on creativity and strategy, tasks AI can't easily replace. Embrace AI tools, use them to increase your own productivity. Network and build a personal brand. Humans still prefer working with humans they trust. The smartest professionals aren't ignoring AI, they're mastering it. Section 5. How to future-proof your career. 6:30-7:30. So, is AI stealing our jobs? Not exactly. It's transforming them. The companies that adapt will thrive, and the individuals who learn new skills will lead the change. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on AI and jobs, and subscribe to SimplyTechwhiz for more weekly tech breakdowns and AI insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay informed, and stay tech smart.